How to stop all of the spotlights that are occurring in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can stop all of the spotlights that are occurring in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So there could be a case that there could be multiple spotlights that would be happening in your Microsoft Teams meeting and it gets pretty annoying. So if you want to stop that from happening, you can easily end all of the spotlights by just a single click, and you don't need to find each and every one of them and then disable them manually. So the automation trick lies in these easy steps. So the first thing that you got to do is simply click onto this people tab, as you can see at the top of the screen. Now once you'll click onto this, you will see this participants pane that appear over the right hand side of the screen. Now once you're done with this, you can notice these three small dots present just below this cross icon. So I would need you to click onto them, and with the moment you do this, you will see this option that says stop all spotlights. The moment you will click onto this, it will ask you for a confirmation that says the video will no longer be highlighted for everyone in the meeting. And if you want to proceed, you can simply click onto this stop spotlighting, and the moment you do this, you can see that the spotlights will be successfully cancelled or disabled. So that's how easily you can stop all spotlights at once. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.